This is my Lego World War II, not Village 2, but Higgins boat, and I'm gonna show you right now. And sorry, my voice is like crap. Whatever. And got my gunner on top. That's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. I would put this down, but I don't know. I will in a minute. But yeah. See all those guys. Oops. Yeah. Sick. Okay. It's pretty cool, actually. It's really nice. So this is what it looks like. Pretty nice. Kind of stick something right there just to make it kind of stay. That's the only thing about the Lego there. And I'll talk about just right here. He's my gunner and driver. Yeah. Just sits up in there. Oh, fuck. But yeah, that's driver. That's my Higgins boat. My Higgins boat. So yeah. Everything about it's pretty cool. So if everything could focus. The camera's not focusing right now. But here's my wheels too. It's pretty cool. I'm missing that piece right there, and like another piece back here, but that's it. And this is my bomb squad. And there's like a spy squad in there, and like an infantry squad. And my plane, this plane is off a Indiana Jones set. This guy right here, he's not from the Indiana Jones set, but this helmet is. The helmet is like that right back. Indiana Jones is one of my soldiers. He's like in there somewhere with that one right there, and then that's a different one, and that's my favorite. But yeah. This thing comes down to catch, that like diamond, whatever that thing is. And yeah, and I have some missiles. I have some missiles right here. Always. I got a couple of these missiles. Got 6 of them. But yeah. That's it for my World War II stuff.